Hey, do you love your RV but wish you could make it a little more like home? Well, in today's episode of Life Redesigned, we're going to walk you through all the upgrades you can do without going broke. Yes, I'm talking about that backsplash. I'm talking about that lighting. I'm talking about that furniture. All those things and more coming at you in 3, 2, 1. This video is brought to you by Connected Internet, the official internet provider of Life Redesigned, and what we rely on to stay connected wherever we go. If you need fast, reliable, unlimited internet, check out the link in the video description.
So, I love my grand design. I loved everything about it, and I knew the minute I stepped in here, I'm like, okay, this is the one I want. However, I wanted it to be like a home and not just like the 50 Shades of Brown or like everybody else's. I wanted something a little bit different. So we started doing a little tweaks here and there. And the first thing that we did was lighting. Now, everything that we bought online, we'll put a link down in the bottom for, and everything that we bought in store will also, I'll just let you know, and we'll put a link down the bottom also. So to get started, we have these lights here. So we paid about $25 for those. They're open, they're nice, they're the on-off that you have to have. And it took the place of what I call the nipple lights. Like, they were just push button. They were like nipple lights. They were stupid and they just didn't do anything. So we put them here, and then we also put them above the love seat. And like I said, it's just enough light at night if we needed it. So these were good and different than what most people have.
Now, not to outdo Carrie, but I'm going to give you a twofer because that's what I do. First things we did, again, is lighting, and I also changed this one out. Gave us a nice softer thing because I use this area as a workstation. I got rid of the dinette immediately and put in a sit-stand desk. This one here from Amazon, under a couple $100. And it's great. And it's not so much that I can stand up with this, it's that I'm a taller person, so having it be higher than an office chair was great. So I can raise this up. Carrie being shorter, she wants to sit down on the ground, she can lower it all the way down. And then we picked up this office chair here because the seating that comes with these RVs is horrible. This here was about $150. We got this at Office Depot, but a great little chair, and it's done wonders for my back, which is number one. Changing this over to an office left us with a blank space here, and we looked and we struggled what we were going to do with it because at the time we had just a chair. We picked up a simple ottoman, and it has storage, which is awesome. We got this here at Target for $70, and it solves the problem of not only the open space, gave us a little more storage, but I can also sit back when I'm in a meeting on Teams and I put my feet up because life is on easy street when you're in an RV, right?
This has been my favorite so far. Like every upgrade we do, I feel like is my favorite, but this one really, this is my favorite. I love this area over here, but I couldn't stand that the backsplash was the same as the countertop. Like, that just was stupid to me. So I was looking on Amazon and I told Bob I wanted a backsplash. He's like, well, go ahead, pick it out. And I'm like, okay. So I found this one. We paid about $47 per box, and we used 2 boxes. I'll show you the other places that we have it as well. But this is very thick. The feel of it is like wood, and it's amazing. They're peel and stick, very simple, very nice. But I tell you, when I'm in here, I feel so fancy because it's not it's not the white. And over here, it made this whole stove area look totally different. Like, I have a mini gourmet cooking area over here. It's absolutely beautiful. So really quickly, I know these are peel and stick, but once you put them up, they are not coming down. They're not paper thin. They're not flimsy by any stretch. So you really, even though it's peel and stick, you really got to pay attention. We also carry this into the bathroom behind the sink and all the way up to the ceiling, and it just makes a huge difference. It makes this silly little sink like match. It The faucets, everything matches now just like it was meant to be, and it's just ours, and I love it.
Now, by far, the hardest project that I had in my head was going to be, how do you replace those stupid roller blinds? Those roller shades, the things that always fall down, the things that really just slap around when you're going down the road, those kind of things. Well, we discovered cellular blinds, and these here are from Lowe's, and well, okay, I'm not going to lie to you, they're not cheap. This window here alone was about $85, and then each smaller window was about $45. So it does add up a little bit, especially when you have a rig like this that has all the windows. But these went up incredibly easy. We used pop toggles for some of the holes, and others they just went right in where the existing were, and they just kind of clip in. Operation is beautiful. You just push up or pull down depending on where you are in the world and how much you want people to see you. The best part about these for us is that they're light blocking, so at night you're not seeing in here at all. We did pick up some curtain rods that go across. We're still bouncing around the idea of if we like the curtains or not, but eventually we'll have everything exactly dialed in. But for right now, these blinds, they've been all up and down the East Coast with them already, and they've held up, which is why we're covering them in this video.
Now, all that is nice and all, but don't discount throw rugs and my little poof here, because this honestly makes it feel like a home. And you don't have this big open wood floor area here. So both of these items we purchased at Target. I believe the rug was around $60-ish and the poof was around $40. So not too bad for a little aesthetically pleasing stuff in our home.
This is probably going to be the only time you ever see me like this, because this is probably the only time she lets me put my feet up on this. This is for decoration only. But now the next part of this video is going to be something pretty cool. This is going to talk about all the future upgrades we want to make, and the things that we found can be extremely cheaper buying them outside of the RV market. Now, all these things that we're going to talk about next have an RV counterpart that costs, well, in my mind, ridiculous amount of money for what RV furniture is. RV furniture and RV parts are usually just crap, and I want something different if I'm going to be paying the money. So I hope you enjoy these next few segments, and especially Carrie's beautiful modeling jobs.
Now let's talk about this couch. So it's not the greatest. It's like plastic, leathery, pleathery, whatever, and when it flakes and you want to replace it, it's like another $2,000. So I found an awesome alternative at IKEA, and it's roughly $10.99, and the color is absolutely like a saddle brown, and it's absolutely beautiful, and it would fit in this space. But more importantly, they come flat packed, so you don't have, because you don't have a huge door to bring big furniture in here, and it's just great. And like I said, $10.99. If you don't like it, they even offer covers, so you don't have to purchase another couch. You can just put a cover on it and you have like a whole brand new couch.
Now, with all that money that you're going to be saving on the big couch there, by not buying RV furniture, well, you can start looking at replacing this here. Don't like this stupid armrest in the center with the cup holder that doesn't hold anything? Well, you can just push this right aside and pick up this beauty that I found at IKEA. That's it's cuddle approved by us, and it is absolutely amazing for what it is. $700, or a little over $700, and you have a beautiful customized living space that you're not going to find even in the fanciest of Brinkleys.
So as you just heard earlier in the video, Bob loves his little desk setup he's got going on over here, but in my opinion, it still looks a little too manly. That said, at IKEA, I did find this beautiful desk that we could actually turn lengthwise and look out the window, and that was like $279. And you can complement that with this awesome chair also from IKEA for $199. I mean, it kind of makes it unisex and not just Bob-ized.
All right, I get it. My style may not be for everybody, and that goes back to this light when Carrie was wandering the halls of IKEA, which I thought we were on a fact-finding mission. Apparently we're remodeling again, but it's going to be all about lighting, and that's where you can really go wild, especially in IKEA. They have this beautiful chandelier I'm going to show right here for 49 bucks that would fit the aesthetic that Carrie wants to go with, and you can really just run crazy with it. And here's a little tip for you that you probably haven't heard before. You can use any light fixture that you want. If it's a residential light fixture, go ahead and use it. Just remember to use a 12-volt compatible light bulb. That will save you all the headaches. But as far as a light fixture, anything that you want, your only limit is your imagination.
So another quick, easy, and inexpensive upgrade are the pulls. Now, I found these gorgeous gold pulls at IKEA, and they were 2 for $5. And I don't know what the deal is with all the gold and stuff, but oh my gosh, all I gotta say is it's matching my aesthetic. Thank you, Bob.
Do you want to hear something really stupid? And I'm not going to go off on a rant. I'm going to talk about faucets for RVs. And yes, literally, I have seen Lippert label faucets as RV specific, but the reality is any faucet will work inside an RV because it's just a faucet. But when you go into Camping World and you want to replace this because maybe you banged it, maybe you put a chip in it and your wife is upset, it's going to run you about $300. Now, when Carrie was talking about those brass and gold handles that seem to be all the rage in those premium RVs, well, realize it's just design elements, right? Well, looking at this one from IKEA, I found it does everything that, well, the ones in this one and those fancy Brinkley models have for $109. And it's an incredible piece of faucetry. The reviews on them are fantastic, and you're going to save a couple $100 right out the gate.
So I just watched an RV review, and can you believe that a selling point to this was shoe storage? Seriously, storage for your shoes. You don't need to buy a $200,000 plus RV to have shoe storage. I'm getting irritated. As you can see, this beautiful one that I found at IKEA for roughly $149. It's low profile, it hugs the wall. Save your money, keep your RV, and you'll be golden.
Now, in the comments below, I want you to let us know what you think our next big upgrade should be. Should it be that beautiful couch? Should it be new lighting? Do I have to really replace my desk? Let us know in the comments below what you would do with our RV to immediately make an impact. Now, before we close this video, I want to say that you can save even more money when you shop at IKEA by checking out the As Is section. A lot of these are returns, a lot of these were floor displays, a lot of these they maybe missed the box for. Whatever the situation is, you can save a lot of money. And again, you can let your imagination run wild because there's all kinds of mismatched pieces throughout the place that may be perfect for an RVer.
So, hope you all had fun and it helped you out at least a little bit, that you don't have to spend a fortune or go out and buy a $200,000 RV to make it your own, because you're always going to change something. Now, I'm waiting to hear in the comments exactly what you guys do. What did you do to change your RV to make it your home? And that's it. So, until next time, I'm Carrie. Bob's behind the camera. He says bye, and we'll catch you later. Bye.